AI tools to save you time, money, and run your business. In an increasingly fast-paced and competitive business landscape, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a game-changer for businesses, offering innovative tools that can streamline operations, boost productivity, and save both time and money. Data analytics and insights. In today's data-driven world, businesses are constantly collecting and generating massive amounts of information. AI-powered data analytics tools are instrumental in making sense of this data. They automate the process of gathering, processing, and interpreting data, enabling businesses to gain valuable insights quickly and efficiently. By leveraging AI for data analytics, businesses can identify market trends, customer preferences, and operational inefficiencies. This empowers data-driven decision-making, helping companies save time and money by focusing on strategic priorities based on concrete data-driven insights. Additionally, AI analytics tools can process data at a scale and speed that humans simply cannot match, making them invaluable for businesses of all sizes. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Customer service is a cornerstone of business success, but it can be resource-intensive. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants offer a 24/7 solution to customer inquiries and support. These AI-driven systems can handle routine customer questions, provide information about products or services, and even process simple transactions autonomously. This not only improves customer satisfaction by offering immediate responses but also leads to significant cost savings by reducing the workload on customer support teams. Furthermore, AI-driven virtual assistants continuously learn from interactions, becoming more effective and efficient over time. Predictive maintenance. In industries relying on machinery and equipment, unplanned downtime can lead to substantial financial losses. Predictive maintenance powered by AI is a proactive solution to this problem. AI algorithms analyze data from sensors and other sources to predict when equipment is likely to fail or require maintenance. By predicting maintenance needs accurately, businesses can schedule repairs or replacements during planned downtime, minimizing disruptions to operations. This prevents costly emergency repairs and extends the lifespan of expensive equipment. Consequently, predictive maintenance not only saves time and money but also improves overall operational efficiency and reliability. Natural language processing (NLP). Natural language processing (NLP) stands at the intersection of artificial intelligence and linguistics. It focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that is both meaningful and contextually relevant. The applications of NLP in the business world are manifold. One of the most notable uses of NLP is in sentiment analysis. Businesses can leverage NLP algorithms to scour vast volumes of textual data from sources like social media, customer reviews, and surveys to gauge public sentiment. NLP's ability to comprehend and generate human language, automate content creation, and power chatbots for customer support positions it as a vital tool for businesses looking to streamline operations, save time, and enhance their communication strategies. Email filtering and prioritization. Email has become the primary mode of communication in the business world, but the volume of emails received can be overwhelming. AI-powered email filtering and prioritization tools are designed to tackle this challenge by applying sophisticated algorithms to categorize, rank, and manage emails efficiently. These tools operate by analyzing various aspects of each email, such as sender, subject, content, and user behavior. They can identify spam emails and automatically move them to a separate folder, ensuring that your primary inbox remains clutter-free. This not only saves time but also ensures that critical communication is promptly addressed, leading to increased productivity and improved communication. Supply chain optimization. Supply chain management is a complex and multifaceted task for businesses involved in manufacturing, distribution, or retail. AI's role in supply chain optimization is nothing short of transformative. At its core, supply chain optimization involves the efficient coordination of various processes, from raw material procurement to production and distribution. AI comes into play by harnessing the power of data analysis and prediction. These forecasts are not limited to demand prediction, but can also encompass factors like supply reliability, production line efficiency, and transportation logistics. AI-driven supply chain optimization tools save businesses time and money by providing accurate demand forecasts, optimizing inventory management, and enhancing logistics efficiency. They'd also improve resilience by identifying and addressing potential disruptions. Automated financial analysis. Financial analysis and reporting are paramount in the business world. They guide investment decisions, financial planning, and overall corporate strategy. However, these tasks can be exceedingly time-consuming and prone to human error when conducted manually. AI-powered automated financial analysis tools offer a solution by automating various financial processes, including data collection, financial statement generation, and trend analysis. One of the primary benefits of these tools is their ability to streamline data collection. AI-powered automated financial analysis tools save businesses considerable time and resources by automating data collection, generating accurate financial statements, conducting trend analysis, and assisting with compliance. This not only enhances efficiency but also improves the quality of financial reporting and decision-making. Human resources and recruitment. Human resources and recruitment are integral to any business's success. However, these functions can be resource-intensive, requiring substantial time and effort to identify, recruit, and onboard suitable talent. AI is transforming HR platforms to identify potential candidates who match the criteria specified for a job opening. This automation significantly broadens the scope of candidate searches, increasing the chances of finding the best fit for a position. AI tools in human resources and recruitment streamline processes, reduce administrative burdens, and promote fair hiring practices. By automating tasks like resume screening, candidate sourcing, and onboarding, businesses can allocate resources more effectively, save time, and enhance their overall recruitment and HR functions. Personalized marketing. Personalized marketing is a strategy that tailors marketing efforts to individual customer preferences and behaviors. AI-driven personalized marketing tools are transforming the way businesses engage with their customers, saving time and money while boosting marketing effectiveness. One of the primary ways AI contributes to personalized marketing is through customer segmentation. AI algorithms can analyze vast data sets, including customer demographics, browsing history, purchase behavior, and interactions with marketing materials. AI-driven personalized marketing tools save businesses time and money by automating customer segmentation, recommending tailored products, optimizing timing, and improving marketing campaign effectiveness. By delivering more relevant and timely marketing messages, businesses can increase customer engagement and drive sales more efficiently. Fraud detection and prevention. Fraud poses a significant threat to businesses across various industries. AI-powered fraud detection and prevention tools are indispensable in safeguarding businesses from financial losses and reputational damage caused by fraudulent activities. One of the key advantages of AI in fraud detection is its ability to analyze vast amounts of transaction data in real time. AI-powered fraud detection and prevention tools are vital for businesses seeking to protect their financial assets and reputations. By analyzing transaction data, adapting to evolving threats, enhancing identity verification, and minimizing false positives, these tools save time and money while safeguarding businesses from fraud-related risks. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.